Hi everyone, I'm Sanjay Monga from KSG. I welcome you all to this talk on impact of lockdown on Indian economy and way ahead. We must admit that pandemic has taught us many lessons. Time has come for us to understand that we need better planning, better state center coordination, better coordination among agencies, and few things we have seen for the first time in India. The center state coordination is improving. The agencies have been very responsive. When the leadership in many countries was indecisive, we have seen a quick decision by our leaders in centers as well as in state for the lockdown. And expectedly, we have a low fall rate for the pandemic. Now, I expect that the following strategies will work. We need to go forward for decentralization as number one. We know that state and central government must focus on the revival of rural economy and the priority sectors, MSME, agriculture, allied, health, education. And if implemented vigorously, the decentralization strategy can drive the next wave of economic growth in India. We have seen unbalanced growth in past, and the rural agrarian economy, when it was having some problems, people shifted to cities, and then we have seen the polluted and the concentrated cities. But we should not forget that India is a unique country with over 6 lakh villages, and our challenges are also unique. So time has come to learn from the economic history of India. We had a development model where we had prosperity all over the country, and this was because of the some states known for jute, some states known for cotton, some for bamboo farming, handicrafts, and so on. There were hundreds of skills and specializations. So based on the region-wise specialization, we need to build suburban economic hubs in rural areas and small towns in India. And India-centric technological innovations will help in this. We should, make the technology for masses, not for the classes now. After decentralization, I want self-reliance, regional self-reliance, national self-reliance, as well as local self-reliance. Globalization has been a key strategy in development of many countries, but we have also followed in LPG. But right now, we see that big manufacturing is concentrated as in large countries and some concentrated areas. So what we need is self-reliance for India, self-reliance for some states, and self-reliance for some 6 lakh villages in India. And this self-sufficiency and provisioning for the emergency reserves at village level is a very important task to be done. It requires massive public awareness and participation also, apart from effective government planning. We know India is doing good in industry. We have been promoting Make in India program, but there is no substitute for China in coming years. But India can do better in computers, pharmaceuticals, automobiles, mobile phones, and many other areas. This would make the country self-reliant, and I think the time has come. We should need some self-reliant states and self-reliant districts and self-reliant villages as well. Third point is work from home concept. Business continuity is a big concern in threatening times, and during lockdown, our Honorable Prime Minister has tried to manage the whole country in crisis working from home. Prime Minister's virtual meetings with chief ministers, the national and international dignitaries, the agencies during the lockdown have taught us a new lesson on cost reduction and business continuity. People in corporates have also been holding virtual Zoom meetings to ensure business continuity, maintaining social distance. COVID-19 has raised the possibilities of large-scale work integration from home without compromising on work efficiency. So in future, the business houses will experiment output-based work from home with reduced travel and reduced cost. And post lockdown, as firms analyze the productivity data of the work done from home during this time, new business policies and rules are going to come up. And after considering the reduction in pollution level, traffic on roads, opportunity cost of traveling, and improvement in work-life balance, reduced office space requirement, work from home is going to be a new normal in the future. So to conclude, we must admit that turbulent time has both challenges as well as opportunities hidden. I think this tough time will teach us and the authorities and the people to accept the change in how we think, how we work, and how we live. I'm sure economic growth will bounce back soon. With my sincere wishes for prompt economic recovery to you all, I thank you all very much.